Hello viewers, welcome to Aarohi Sewing Enterprises. How are you all? In this video you can see how we are converting simple front neck embroidery design to bot neck embroidery design. It can be done easily, just you need the Embroidery Digitization Software. It is one of our client requirements. They have the blouse design with the front normal neck. They don't have the bot neck embroidery design, so we are doing it for them. It is a redesigning process. For this, no much digitization knowledge is required. Just you take the software and you should know basic things, then you can do alterations. Okay, it can be done easily. There are many tips and tricks. If you are interested for taking training on embroidery digitization, please reach out to us through WhatsApp on 9100949956 and one more number 6300548691. We do sell embroidery machines, digitizing software, materials, spare parts. We offer service and training. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. If anyone interested for training software, definitely you can reach out to us. We provide more information. Thanks for your time. Keep watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow Insta channels as well. Okay, you can save our contact numbers so that when we post something in our WhatsApp status, you can get the updates related to embroidery and sewing. Happy embroidery, happy digitization. See you in the next video. Take care.